Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with lots of new ideas that will help you to keep your home and kitchen well organized. I will be sharing very cheap and useful kitchen products which are not only beautiful but very functional at the same time. You will never regret after buying these products. So let's start. These ceramic jars are so beautiful you can't stop yourself from buying. I bought these jars from roadside vendors and I must say its quality is superb and its size is appropriate to store any dry or wet food items. Other than pickles and chutneys, you can also store salt, pulses, and you can also use it for making curd and all. Even if you don't want to store anything, just keep them on any open rack just for your kitchen decoration. Another useful and unique product are these bowls which I bought from DMart at just ₹39. These are also ceramic bowls, but you can use them for serving soups, kheer, ice creams, etc. And these are dishwasher safe also. All bowls has different design on top side corner which make them look very attractive. Once I start using these bowls, I will surely share how I am using them and what type of food you can serve in this type of bowls. This is not something very new and unique. You must have seen this masala box or must be using already. For those who wanted to buy a new masala box, can buy this one. It is also from DMart in just ₹120. Unique part is its bowl or container size. This masala container size is quite big as compared to other masala boxes, and because of that you don't need to refill it again and again. Easily it's sufficient for 7 to 8 days. So if you are looking for masala box, you can go for this one. Another very useful organizer are these hanging baskets. Price is just ₹39 from DMart. You can use them anywhere in your house to organize stationery, cutlery, or even these are suitable to use in bathrooms and wardrobes. I always suggest to buy such organizers that are not restricted to use only in one room. Organizers should be multi-purpose which can be conveniently used anywhere in our house. Then only they are worth buying. You can also order many such useful kitchen and household organizers and products from Meralink online shopping website. Meralink by Bulbul Shop has variety of kitchen organizers and other household product. Do check the website by just clicking the link from the description box below. Meralink provides you free delivery and free cash on delivery along with easy returns and replacement in 5 days. You can also place your order through WhatsApp link given in the video's description. Check the website and avail many exciting discounts and offer. Before placing any order, don't forget to download the app for easy returns and refunds. A beautiful transparent liquid soap dispenser which you can use in your bathroom or for kitchen sink. I bought this for my kitchen sink at just ₹99 from DMart. It's made of plastic, but I really like the quality of the product at this rate. Along with the soap dispenser, I found these beautiful bottles also which are very beautiful and suitable for daily use. It is lightweight and easy to handle and also easy to wash. So these are few kitchen products I recently bought which I found very useful and at the same time very cheap and reasonable for my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and these ideas will help you to organize your home and kitchen too. Consider subscribing my channel and thank you so much for watching my videos.